Hello again. So today we are continuing with solving equations. It's gradually and progressively getting a little bit harder. In this case, I'd like to give you two examples wherein we have actually variables in place of numbers, but you have to focus on only one variable to solve for. So in this case, for example, I'm asking to solve for x. The equation is given 2a minus x equal to 3 minus a, and a in here and in here, you just treat it just like a number, just that's what that is. In terms of usage of this, where you're gonna see this is through science courses. You're gonna see this. So let's solve the first equation for x. So same rule applies. You just go through, isolate the variable, bring all the x's to one side, to the left hand side, and the numbers to the other side, including the variable that is non-x. Okay, so now we have to get rid of the 2a in here. So subtract 2a from both sides. So on the left hand side we get minus a, because 2a minus a, that's just 0. On the right hand side we will get 3 minus a minus 2a is minus 3a. And the last step is you have to divide everything by minus 1. Remember, the negative in front is negative 1x. So you have to divide everything by minus 1. And the final answer will be minus 3 plus 3a. And that is the final answer for x. And it turns out that the answer is in terms of a, and there's nothing wrong with that. So the second example, let's call it example B. Same idea. This time we have x's on both sides. Remember, we have to bring all x's to the left hand side and numbers and all non-x values to the other side. We do have another variable called k in here. This is in here and there, so don't worry about it. Just treat it just like a number. So first we're going to bring all x's to the left hand side, numbers to the other side, to the right hand side. All right, so by moving the 2x from the right hand side to the left hand side, so subtract 2x from both sides, and then we need to get rid of the minus 6 from the left hand side. We're going to move it to the other side, so we have to add 6 to both sides. So, and then we have to now polish it and add the like terms and then go from there. Okay, so we'll get kx minus 2x on the left hand side equals to k plus 6. The 2x and minus 2x is 0, minus 6 plus 6 on that side is 0. And then the last step is we need to solve for x. Now notice that there's x there, there's x there. This is the part that is tricky. You need to factor x out because you need to isolate it. You need to factor x out, and then you leave it in a factor form like that. And the very last step, now you divide everything because you want to have x on its own. You have to divide both sides by the coefficient of x. In this case, the coefficient is actually coming after x, is k minus 2, but that doesn't matter. That's the k minus 2 is the coefficient. Divide both sides and x will be isolated. You get x equals to k plus 6 on top and k minus 2 in the denominator.